In this video, I'll guide you through how to take control in a Webex meeting. Whether you're collaborating on a project, troubleshooting a technical issue, or simply need to guide the meeting in a more hands-on manner, knowing how to take control of the shared screen can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. First off, it's essential to communicate with the current presenter. Before taking any action, make sure to ask the presenter to give you control. This step is crucial because it ensures that everyone in the meeting is on the same page and avoids any confusion. It's always a good idea to have clear communication, especially in a virtual setting where nonverbal cues are limited. Once you've got the go-ahead, the presenter will need to perform a few simple actions. They should start by clicking on the Assign button. This button is typically found in the Meeting Controls panel. The location might slightly vary depending on the version of Webex you are using, but it's usually quite easy to spot. After clicking Assign, a drop-down menu will appear. The presenter should then select the option that says Pass Keyboard and Mouse Control. Now, the presenter will see a list of participants in the meeting. This is where they need to select your name from the list. It's a straightforward process, but it's a good idea to remind them to double-check that they've selected the correct person, especially in larger meetings where there could be multiple attendees. Once your name is selected, the presenter should click Assign. At this point, you will have control over the shared screen. You'll notice that your mouse movements and keyboard inputs are now recognized on the presenter's screen. This capability allows you to navigate through documents, demonstrate software, or highlight specific points during the meeting. It's a powerful feature that can enhance the collaborative experience significantly. While you have control, it's important to remember to communicate what you're doing. Keep other attendees informed about your actions to maintain a smooth flow in the meeting. For example, if you're highlighting a particular section of a document, let them know why it's significant. This will help keep everyone engaged and on track. Additionally, if at any point you no longer need control, or if the meeting dynamics change, you can simply inform the presenter to take back control. The presenter can easily do this by clicking on the Assign button again and selecting the option to reclaim control. This ensures that the meeting remains flexible and adaptive to the needs of all participants. And there you have it. That's how you can take control in a WebEx meeting. By following these steps, you can make your meetings more interactive and productive. Remember, clear communication and collaboration are key to making the most out of these meetings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides like this one.